I'm Gina. The Chinese New Year, 春节, is coming soon. In the Spring Festival season, which lasts 15 days from the first day of the Chinese New Year, family and friends like to gather together to have fun. So from my upbringing, every year I have a pretty busy timetable to visit my relatives, my friends, even my parents' friends.
And of course, we hold a lot of parties at home.
So our friends and relatives can visit us. For being hospitality, we decorate our home and prepare some food. So in this video, I will share you some traditional party food for the Spring Festival in China. The first one is the mandarin orange because they're very delicious and they're the fruit in season. It also symbolizes lucky and propitious. The second thing is candy. You can find a lot of candies in supermarkets in colorful packages. But for the Spring Festival, I give you one shot to guess what color it should be. Yes, red. In southern China, you may also find others with little snacks. The most typical one is candy lotus seed. You can find it in every grocery store, but it is definitely not difficult to homemade it. First, prepare some lotus seeds, put them to the boiling water and cook them for 20 minutes. And then air dry it for 2 hours. Secondly, put sugar in water and let it boil. The sugar will completely dissolve and you get the clear syrup. Continue boiling until it started to turn yellowish. Then you pour in the lotus seeds and gently stir it until every of them are covered with syrup. Let it dry and ta-da! You made it! For me, it is always good to start New Year with some sweetness. Thank you for watching my video and I wish you a Happy New Year! Bye!